Finding the best product that fits your budget can be a challenge. However, there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best longboard for cruising from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yucca Complete Pintail Skateboards Longboard Cruiser. The Yucca stained pintail longboard is on many lists like this one, and there is good reason for it. The classical pintail board is easy to ride, making it suitable for beginners. The trucks and bearings, while they will need replacing eventually, are good quality for a ready-to-ride out-of-the-box board. It is also very affordable. You can turn comfortably, as the shape prevents wheel bite. Although, it is recommended to make adjustments to improve the board's turning performance. The Yucca Pintail Longboard is a great purchase for anyone who is looking to pick up a new sport or hobby and enjoy a good summer. It doesn't require any skill level to jump on one, and you can enjoy cruising around your town with ease. Positive side of this product: it has a smooth ride, well-stained decks, good quality trucks and bearings. The shock absorption is good and popular choice for beginners. Number 2. Quest Super Cruiser. The Quest Super Cruiser is a versatile longboard for any age and skill level. The 44-inch plywood deck is made from bamboo and maple wood, making it the perfect balance between flexible and stiff, but also durable. Because it is built with quality materials, this is a longboard you can buy when you start out, and will still have many years down the road, without having to worry about the quality decreasing. No matter what your skill level is, if you are looking for a cruiser that will last a lifetime and will always perform, the Quest Super Cruiser is the one for you. It is money well spent, and you will not regret picking this top-rated longboard. Positive side of this product: the perfect balance between flexibility and stiffness. Good value for money. Easy to ride for any skill level. Made with quality and durable materials. The 44-inch deck makes it easier to control, and suitable for all body shapes. 3 design choices. Number 3. Atom Pintail Longboard. The Atom Pintail Longboard is a top choice for beginners thanks to its classical shape, which make it easy to ride with excellent grip. The deck is 39 inches long, which make the best longboard for beginners a perfect size. It is stable enough to ride even on downhill cruises and still be in control. This might not be suitable for experienced riders who prefer fast riding and sharp turning. Learning to cruise on the Atom Pintail Longboard will set you up for a long career longboarding. The easy-to-ride, stable deck will help you learn quick, and you will find that you get comfortable getting around on the board in no time. Positive side of this product: easy to learn and to ride, making it awesome for beginners. The maple deck is sturdy and long-lasting. Soft wood material allows to make dents. The grip tape is strong, making it great to ride in the rain. Easy to carry thanks to being light. Easy to control. Negative side of this product: manuals are not easy. Potential for wheel bite if turning too tight. Number 4. Volador 42-inch freeride cruiser. We live in an age where looking after the environment is extremely important. You already are helping by cruising everywhere instead of driving, but if you are looking to help even more, then try out the Volador 42-inch longboard. It is made using an eco-friendly epoxy to hold the maple deck together. But this board is more than a cruiser. You can use it to freeride, downhill and board walking. You will feel no speed wobble going downhill with the Volador. If you are looking for a longboard that is capable of doing more than just cruising, is durable and offers outstanding performance, then the Volador is your choice. Money well spent if you live at the top of the hill. Positive side of this product: high quality and very well made. Plenty of standing space for control and to monitor the board. Number 5. Sector 9 Fractal Complete Skateboard. The Sector 9 Fractal will definitely catch your eye, and anyone who looks at the board for more than 2 seconds. But this longboard isn't only about good looks. It knows how to perform too. Experienced riders will be happy to know that it is ready to use straight out of the box, and doesn't need any modifications. That is also a bonus for newbies too, as it doesn't require you to know anything about setting up your own longboard. If you are looking for a conversational starter piece, the Fractal is awesome for that. But it is so much more, offering you top performance straight out of the box. Positive side of this product: shipping is fast. Amazing graphics. Easy to ride. The deck is flexy, durable and stable. Trucks made for carving and curving. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.